Good morning. On the last period, we have started about magnetic dipole. Two equal in magnitudes. Two equal in magnitudes to two equal pole strength. Two equal pole strength but opposite polarities. Two poles of equal pole strength but opposite polarities separated by some finite distance constitute a dipole called as magnetic dipole. याचे काही बेसिक कन्सेप्ट्स आहेत. त्यामध्ये ऍक्सिस ऑफ डायपोल, अ लाइन passes through poles of dipole. A line passes through poles of dipole is called as axis of dipole, and a line passes through center of dipole and perpendicular to axis is called as equator of dipole. The plane passes through all equators. The plane passes through all equators and perpendicular to axis is called as equatorial plane. The locus of all points on equator. The locus of all points on equator which are at equidistance from the center of dipole is called as equatorial circle. त्यानंतर pole strength. The strength of magnetic field. The strength of magnetic field is denoted by a quantity called as pole strength of pole. Pole strength of n pole is considered as plus qm, and pole strength of s pole is denoted by minus qm, like this. Magnetic length. The distance between two poles of dipole. Distance between s pole and n pole means two poles of dipole. Distance between two poles of dipole is called as magnetic length and is denoted by 2L. Then magnetic dipole moment. It is a vector directed from s pole towards n pole and is defined as product of pole strength of pole and magnetic length qm, pole strength of pole, 2L magnetic length. The product of pole strength of pole and magnetic length is called as magnetic dipole moment. It is a vector and is directed from s pole towards n pole. हे आपण पाहिलं होतं. त्यानंतर आज आपण पाहतोय मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड at any point along axis and equator due to short magnetic dipole. Magnetic field at any point along axis of equator due to short magnetic dipole. Consider a short magnetic dipole. See here. Consider a short magnetic dipole like this. Consider a short magnetic dipole magnetic dipole consists of two poles that are S pole and N pole separated by distance. This distance is called as magnetic length 2N. Pole strength of N pole is denoted by plus Q. Pole strength of S pole is denoted by minus Q. A line passes through poles of dipole. This line is called as axis of dipole, and a line passes through center of dipole and perpendicular to axis. This is called as equator of dipole. This is axis of dipole and this is equator of dipole. A line passes through poles of dipole is called as axis of dipole, and a line passes through center of dipole and perpendicular axis is called as equator. Then if suppose Q, that is pole strength of pole, Q pole strength of pole, 2L that is magnetic length, Q that is pole strength of pole, 2L magnetic length of dipole, then small m that is magnetic dipole moment, product of pole strength and magnetic length, that is magnetic dipole moment. Then magnetic induction at any point along axis. समजा पॉइंट हित आहे which is at a distance r from center of dipole, आणि समजा पॉइंट हित असेल which is at distance r from center of dipole. समजा पॉइंट हित असेल तर एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंटला, पॉइंट कुठं आहे ऍक्सिस, ऍक्सिसचं मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन दॅट इज बी ऍक्सिस. इक्वेटर वरती एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंटला मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन दॅट इज बी इक्वेटर. बी इक्वेटर. Let P be any point at distance r from center of dipole along axis along equator. Then magnetic induction along axis, that is mu naught divided by 4 pi into 2m divided by r cube. This is plus m which is directed away from dipole, away from n pole. It is directed along m. It is directed along m, and magnetic induction along equator mu naught divided by 4 pi into m divided by r cube. Thus magnetic induction along equator is equal to 2 times, magnetic induction along axis is 2 times magnetic induction along equator. याच्या हे डबल आहे, ऍक्सिसचं डबल आहे कोणाच्या, इक्वेटरच्या. That is magnetic induction along axis is 2 times magnetic induction along equator. हे डायरेक्ट आपल्याला फॉर्म्युले आहेत. magnetic induction along axis and magnetic induction along equator हे आपल्यासाठी डायरेक्ट आहेत. ऍक्सिसचं मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन म्यू नॉट डिवाइड बाय 4 पाय इंटू 2m डिवाइड बाय r क्यूब. इक्वेटरचं म्यू नॉट डिवाइड बाय 4 इंटू एम डिवायडेड बाय आर क्यूब. हे काय डायरेक्ट आहेत. आता आपल्याला आणखी एक एक्सप्रेशन पाहिजे, ते म्हणजेच मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन ॲट एनी पॉइंट. मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन ॲट एनी पॉइंट ड्यू टू शॉर्ट मॅग्नेटिक डायपोल. magnetic induction at any point due to short magnetic dipole. Magnetic induction at any point due to short magnetic dipole. C. Consider a short magnetic dipole. Consider a short magnetic dipole like this. Consider a short magnetic dipole suppose this one as S pole, this one as N pole. Pole strength of S pole minus Q. Pole strength of N pole plus Q. Suppose this one as center of dipole. A line passes through center of dipole is called as axis of dipole, like this. Let's suppose P be any point. Let's suppose P any point at distance r from center of dipole at which magnetic induction is to be determined. Theta, that is angle between a line joining center of dipole to the point with axis of dipole. See concept one more. Consider a short magnetic dipole. Consider a short magnetic dipole. Let Q, that is pole strength of pole, 2L, that is magnetic length of dipole, and therefore small m, that is Q into 2L, called as magnetic dipole moment. Let Q, pole strength of pole, 2L, magnetic length of dipole, and therefore M, that is Q into 2L, called as magnetic dipole moment. R, that is distance of point from center of dipole. Theta, that is angle between a line joining center of dipole to the point with axis of dipole. Then magnetic dipole moment at P, magnetic dipole moment P can be resolved into two components. Can be resolved into या ठिकाणचं मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. या ठिकाणचं मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन कॅन बी रिझॉल्व इंटू 1. मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन ॲट P can be resolved into two component. Magnetic dipole moment M. This magnetic dipole moment can be resolved into two component. Magnetic dipole moment can be resolved into two component. One, that is this magnetic dipole moment can be resolved into two components, that is M cos theta. M cos theta, which is along a line joining to the point P, along a line joining to the point P, and one more, that is M sin theta, M sin theta perpendicular to axis. M sin theta, that is perpendicular to R. See once more. Magnetic dipole moment at P. Magnetic dipole moment at P can be resolved into two components. One, that is M cos theta, which is along R, for which point P is along axis of dipole. For which point P is along axis of dipole. And M sin theta, which is perpendicular to R, for which point P is along equator of dipole. See, magnetic dipole moment at P can be resolved into two components. M cos theta, that is along R, for which point P is along axis of dipole, and M sin theta perpendicular to R, for which point P is along equator, and therefore magnetic induction at P due to this component, that is P axis, is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi into 2 M cos theta divided by R cube. And magnetic induction along equator, mu naught divided by 4 pi into M sin theta divided by R cube. M cos theta, and this one as M sin theta, and therefore resultant becomes like this. Resultant magnetic induction, हा अँगल थीटा असेल तर हा पण अँगल थीटा. रिझल्टंट मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन and therefore resultant magnetic induction at P, resultant magnetic induction at P, B is equal to B axis. From this figure, this is P axis, this is B equator, that is square root of P axis square plus P equator square, means याचा स्क्वेअर प्लस याचा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू याचा स्क्वेअर. ओके. Resultant magnetic induction at P, that is B axis square plus B equator square is equal to याचा स्क्वेअर, therefore root like this. मग याचा स्क्वेअर इथं येतोय आपण, that is याचा स्क्वेअर करून काय करतोय, कॉमन काढतोय. म्यू नॉट डिवायडेड बाय 4 पाय इंटू m डिवायडेड बाय r क्यूब रूट याचा स्क्वेअर 4 cos स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा, याचा स्क्वेअर प्लस याचा स्क्वेअर केला आणि रूटच्या बाहेर काढलं तर रूट काढून टाकलं, विच इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट डिवाइड बाय 4 पाय इंटू m डिवाइडेड बाय r क्यूब रूट 4 cos स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वेअर म्हणजेच 1 मायनस cos स्क्वेअर थीटा, which is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi into m divided by r cube root 3 cos square theta plus 1. This is an expression of resultant magnetic induction dipole. This is an expression for resultant magnetic induction at any point along, at any point. Now direction of resultant magnetic induction, direction of magnetic induction. Let's suppose alpha, that is angle between alpha, that is angle between resultant magnetic induction with R, then direction, that is tan alpha is equal to tan, that is P equator divided by P axis, which is equal to याला डिवाइड करतोय, याला डिवाइड करतोय, that is m sin theta, that is sin theta divided by 2 cos theta, which is equal to 1/2 tan theta, and therefore alpha is equal to tan inverse 1/2 tan theta. This is the direction of resultant magnetic induction. Magnetic induction along axis, magnetic induction along equator. This magnetic dipole moment can be resolved into two components along R perpendicular to R. along असेल तर cos घ्यायचं, perpendicular असेल तर sin घेतलं इथं. म्हणजेच आता मॅग्नेटिक डायपोल मोमेंट एवढी झाली. मग त्यासाठी P हा जर ऍक्सिस वरती असेल तर इथं m घेतला आणि तोच P पॉइंट जर याच्यासाठी इक्वेटर वरती असेल तर m sin. रिझल्टंट b square is equal to याचा स्क्वेअर प्लस याचा स्क्वेअर. If alpha, that is angle between magnetic induction with R, then direction of resultant tan alpha is equal to b equator divided by b axis. म्हणजेच याने डिवाइड केलं तर sin theta divided by 2 cos theta म्हणजेच 1/2 sin by cos म्हणजेच tan theta. tan ला तिकडे गेलं तर इनवर्स म्हणजेच अल्फा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 1/2 tan theta. This is magnitude of magnetic induction and this is direction of resultant magnetic induction. Okay, this is about magnetic dipole moment along magnetic induction along axis, magnetic induction along equator and magnetic induction at any point. Direction of magnetic induction like this. This is about short magnetic dipole. Okay, remaining one part on next period.